Peace and blessings. Welcome back to another cleaning motivational video. So today in this video I will be cleaning up my kids' virtual learning space and cleaning up my desk area. Again, I'm not going to do so much decorating on the desk area. However, I did buy a bar cart that I'm going to use as a juice coffee cart when I have small guests over to my house, like a small group of guests that come to my house. So I wanted to really kind of just clean this area up, declutter it, throw some stuff away. Also, I'm going to be packing all of their school learning activity books into this container, and I'm going to put it in the basement because eventually we will be redoing the basement and I would like to still keep a lot of the stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing right now is going through the books. A lot of the books I'm going to be putting it on a bookshelf in my porch area for my daughter. A lot of these other books are going to go in the basement and into the boys' room. I hate to admit it, but this section has become the catch-all for everything. There was so much stuff that I would just throw over here because it was just like, what the heck? It's already stuff there. But I'm trying to do better in getting all of the unnecessary mail and paperwork. I'm also a paper hoarder. I know it's hard to admit it, but I will hold on to paper forever. So what I'm about to do right now is put together the bar cart. I did purchase the bar cart from Target and I will link it down below. I will say that this bar cart was extremely easy to put together, and my camera didn't catch it because my battery died, but you'll see in the next clip of how it looks once it's put together. It's now the next day, and I just wanted to go ahead and finish up cleaning up this space. So what I'm doing right now is putting all the trash in, and I'm going to be cleaning off this desk area, making sure that I got all the mail, making sure all the trash, any paperwork from the children's school is either thrown in the trash or put away. Most likely I'm going to throw it in the trash. Do you guys keep a lot of your kids' paperwork from school or pictures? Leave a comment down below and let me know.
Myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 Two places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight
what I'm doing right now is going to go ahead and decorate my bar card. What do you guys think about the bar card? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand.
Alright guys, we're almost at the end of this video. I just want to say thank you for watching the video thus far. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Go ahead and check out some other videos of mine. I do a lot of cleaning motivational videos. I do some vlogs, some organizing. I just try to do everything over here. Anyway, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe. If you are a new person watching my video, why don't you hit subscribe and check out some of my videos. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Peace and blessings.
'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. We've been to places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving.